equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a heat gun, a suction cup, a plastic spudger, and a T5 torque screwdriver. These tools are essential for safely opening your Surface Pro 4 without causing damage. Start by powering off your device completely. Next, use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the screen. This will soften the adhesive, making it easier to separate the screen from the body. Be cautious not to overheat any area, as this could damage internal components. Once the edges are warm, place the suction cup near the corner of the screen. Pull gently while using the plastic spudger to pry the screen away from the body. Work your way around the device, ensuring you don't apply too much force. If you encounter resistance, apply more heat and try again. After successfully removing the screen, you will see the battery and internal components. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the device. This is crucial for maintaining optimal performance. If you're unsure about cleaning, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice. Next, locate the battery. It is secured with screws, which you will need to remove using the T5 torque screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be careful not to damage any connectors. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Align it properly in the compartment and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tight but do not over-tighten, as this could cause damage. With the new battery in place, it's time to reattach the screen. Before doing so, check the connectors to ensure they are clean and free from dust. If you feel this process is too challenging, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Carefully align the screen with the body and press down gently to secure it in place. You may need to apply some heat again to ensure the adhesive bonds well. Once the screen is attached, check for any gaps or misalignments. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 4 to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. This way, you can make an informed decision about your repair options. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen and battery of your Surface Pro 4. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact us for support. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.